waiting here so I can make my defense. So when the knife comes out, here I should be getting out, maybe grabbing something like now a brush here. I can dust her off, get something to defend or get away. That's the point. When the distance is so. If Hedi stays there in place when I'm charging against her and try to block, eventually this will happen. Don't train and get good at this. There is no sense in this. And you see, we haven't yet had a chance to use our defensive strikes, aka blocking. Now, if we're in a distance like this, and now all of a sudden we're having a conversation, I turn around and she stabs me. Now again, making aggressive defense because I was reacting. Remember, we will startle and we flinch and do all of this. From this position, I will not be able to make a soft defense. I was making a soft defense, and that happens. You punch the hand. That's the defense. Being the attackers, we can open our other hand to be punched instead of the chin here. So this is what I need to do. If you are practicing, be close, because now we are practicing hand defenses. And if you get stabbed all the time, start from the position. If the person is so close, get a little bit more ready and you can already do this. And now there will be a second attack. And now I can go into doing the techniques that I need to do. Simultaneous counterattack, I can do from this. So as she moves in, I can go move out and kick. If you want to get good at moving out and hitting, train in the distance where you can do that. If you want to get good at, okay, what is going to be my reaction, be close, and then you can start putting your attacks there. I will be now, immediately when I see Hedi's hand move, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna punch there. And whether the knife comes from above, your blocking hand will react to that. Now, all of these movements are very, very basic skills. The closer we get, the better you have to be, the more you have to train, understand the body motions and so on. That's why we create the Krav Maga coach, where you have the AI to help you. You shoot the video of your own technique and you get feedback, okay, how did I do, and so and so. Any comments, please do write us. I'm not letting her get too close to me because she has a knife. If it's good, just hit like, hit subscribe, and share the video with your friends.